If you have an older Mercedes W123 chassis and you happen to notice that your door panels are getting all wrinkly, look at that. Look at the amount of wrinkles in this door panel. I'm going to show you one of the key reasons that causes this problem, and I see it all too often when I pull these door panels off these older Mercedes. You pull the door panel off, there's supposed to be a plastic liner here. Look at this liner. It's not protecting anything. Remember, water goes down through these window scrapers, and you have a lot of moisture down in these doors if you live in a rainy climate like the Pacific Northwest. And if you look at the back side of the door panel here, you can see that it is all wavy. It's been wet. You can see some mold starting to grow on it. So anytime you're working inside the door panels, if you see plastic like this, go get some new plastic, get some heavy plastic, and cut a new liner to protect your door panels. This will be well worth the effort.